Okay, I don't know why this product page has a white background for a white product, but I got the Ring Alarm Wireless 10-piece security kit. It comes with a sleeve with a bunch of useful information and pictures. That looks like a better product picture than a white background. Information in the back, some information on the side of the box, and here is some product information with instructions, warranty, all that fun stuff. And this is the base station. It's the alarm that sounds and connects all your devices. Inside the box, there are 6 contact sensors. Here's one of them. There's a tab on the back to activate. When you pull out the tab, let's take a look inside. And there's a battery inside with the sensor. This one is the range extender. So you just plug it in, change your Wi-Fi range. This is the motion detector. This one also comes with a battery. And then here is the keypad. It's a numeric keypad, and then there's 3 different options for the keypad. The back slides in and out, which is great. You can install it with screws. And here are all the cables. This is the charger for the base station. Here is a micro USB cable that you can plug into the keypad. This is smart, I think, because you can get a longer micro USB cable if your keypad is installed much further away. And there's just a plug for that micro USB cable. And here's the other side of the contact sensors. So with the hardware and screws to install, also comes with sticky tape to insert into your wall. And this is the back plate for the motion detector. And here's some screws for the keypad. Here's the keypad. It comes off, so you can install with 3 screws to the wall. The micro USB cable here will plug into the back of the keypad, and there's a channel here that you can wrap around. Like that. Here is the other end of the USB cable. Plug it into the plug. That's it. I have it plugged in here, but I wonder if you yank it, will it just pull out the whole thing? Anyway, this is the base station. Connected it to the outlet and the router, and I've stuck some sticky tape to get the motion detector on the corner. With the contact sensors, it's a little bit more tricky. There's more pieces to it, but it does come with a backing plate, which is nice. You can slide it in and out. There's some hardware screws if you want to install it onto anything other than a door or a metal frame. But for now, I'm just gonna use the sticky tape. I think it'll be sufficient. So I'm just gonna slide the backing plate in for both of them. The other one just snaps into place. And then this 3M tape is contoured for the sensors. You just have to peel it, put it on, and stick it onto whatever you want to, detect motion on, whether it's a door, a window. So these sensors work like that. It's like a magnet that when it's close together, it will detect. The light will turn on to let you know that it's been triggered. So I'm going to pull the backing tape off that, stick it on. So I do have a, metal window frame. So I'm just going to use sticky tape for those. And the other sensor is like that. Just open the window and close it to make sure it works. Make sure when you have the app, you can choose alarm to get all your settings set up, and it's fairly straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks.